I had moved to New York with a dream of doing something meaningful in fashion. I had a background in both merchandising and production. A friend invited me to a fashion show in Brooklyn, and while I was there, I had an idea. I started Harlem's Fashion Row, and I decided that we would create the bridge between designers of color and retailers in fashion.
Nike debuted LeBron James's latest sneaker, the LeBron 16. They teamed up with a trio of female designers under the umbrella of Harlem Fashion Row.
I think we were all nervous. We all have very different aesthetics. We all work in our own world.
And as the years progressed, it became clear that this was more than an event.
Hfr has not only given me this opportunity to showcase my collection in the very best way, but within this journey to Fashion Week, they've provided this amazing mentorship.
Thank you, Brandis. On behalf of Vogue and the CFDA, we are thrilled to support Harlem's Fashion Row Icons 360 Fund.
I think people like Brandis have helped to open up a conversation about design and about who we see on the runway.
She is the first one after 30 years to invite me to come to an occasion and do a speaking engagement. It's just so amazing.
Charles is on the line.
Charles,
Yeah.
you won! Charles, Banana Republic is incredibly blessed to have you, and whatever is meant for you is for you. And this design is meant for you.